Hello friends, this video Trigonometric part 15 is brought to you by ExamFear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched Trigonometry part 1 to part 14. Now let's take some example of function of form 3x. So when you see sine 3x, this becomes 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. When you say cos 3x, this becomes 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. And when you say tan 3x, this becomes 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Please remember these formulas. We'll now prove it. Let me take sine 3x first. Sine 3x, I can say this is equal to sine of x plus 2x. This in turn, I can say this is equal to son wants to do things with the boss, so he'll say first I'll do part x and I want boss to do part 2x, then I will do part of 2x and I want boss to do part of x. So this will become sine of x plus 2x will become sine of x cos 2x plus sine 2x cos x. Now we already know that cos of 2x is equal to cos square x minus sine square x, and sine of 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x. This we have proved just now. Also let me write that sine of a plus b formula also for people who are a little confused. Son of a plus b, he wants son to do a part, then boss, this cos to do b part, plus son to do part b and boss to do part a. Similarly, cos of a minus b or a plus b, this guy wants cos a, he wants to do part a, he wants to do part b, and he wants to ignore that is minus part done by son. These are the formulas which we have already learned. We'll use this formula. So now we can say, I'll write here now, sine of x, cos of 2x I can write as cos square x minus sine square x, and plus sine of 2x I can say 2 of sine x cos x, this is like this, into cos of x I can say cos x. So what I get here is sine x cos square x minus sine cube x plus 2 sine x cos square x. This is what we have got. You see sine x cos square x, this is sine x cos square x. So this becomes 3 of sine of x cos square x minus sine x whole cube. Now this is cos square and we want everything in sine square form. It doesn't look good because we're expanding sine 3x. We don't want any cos square term. We want everything to be in sine form. So we also know that cos square x plus sine square x is equal to 1. We know this formula. So similarly, cos square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. So this I write here only. This will become 3 of sine x. Cos square I can write 1 minus sine square x minus sine cube x. So this, if you expand the whole thing, this guy is nothing but 3 of sine x minus 4 of sine cube x, because this becomes 3 sine cube x and minus 3 sine cube x minus sine cube x equal to 4 sine. So we have proved this. Similarly, let's prove this cos 3x. Again in similar fashion we can write cos 3x is nothing but cos of x plus 2x, and we'll use formula. So this will become cos of x cos of 2x minus sine of x and sine of 2x. Now cos 2x, we can say, because we are writing everything in x form, we don't want it in 2x form, we don't want it in sine form, so we'll now change this to x form. So cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sine square x. So what we get here is, I'll write here, this is equal to cos of x into cos 2x, I can say cos square x minus sine square x minus sine x, I can keep it as it is, sine 2x, I can say 2 sine x cos x into 2 of sine x cos x. Why I am doing this? Because I want to write everything in the x form. I don't want any 2x form, I don't want any 3x form. So I converted everything in x form now, at least. So what I get from this is cos cube x minus cos x sine square x minus 2 cos x sine square x. This is nothing but cos of cube x minus 3 cos x sine square x. Now this is sine square term, we don't want this. So what we'll do here is, we will write this and we'll write this now. Instead of sine square x, I'll say 1 minus cos square x. Because we know that sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So sine square is nothing but 1 minus cos square x. So I'll write this is equal to 1 minus cos square x. So now everything we have is in cos x term. So this guy is equal to cos cube x minus 3 cos x plus, this minus and minus become plus 3 cos cube x. So this becomes 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So we have proved these two formulas. We have just expanded this. We have made sure that nothing is in the form of 2x. So whatever was there in the form of 2x, so let me repeat what we have done. I have converted, I expanded this. I got 2x form. Then I again broke this into x form. I got some cos term also in case of sine, and I converted this cos term into sine to get an equation that is purely in sine. Similarly, in the case of cos 3x, I expanded this in form of x and 2x, and then again I expanded 2x form into x form. I got everything in x, but I found that some terms are in sine, and then again I converted the sine form into cos to get one equation which is purely in cos. Similarly, let me try to prove the third equation, that is tan 3x equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. So let's prove tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan, this is tan cube x, by 1 minus 3 tan square x. So we'll expand similar to what we have done earlier. We'll say tan 3x is equal to tan of 2x plus x. So we know that tan of a plus b is nothing but tan of a plus tan of b by 1 minus tan of a into tan of b. Similarly, we'll use the same formula here. So this will become tan of 2x plus tan of x by 1 minus tan of 2x, this is 2x, into tan of x. Now again, we know that we'll use the same formula here. We'll again break tan 2x is equal to tan x plus x. Tan of 2x, this guy is equal to, if you say tan of x plus x, and this guy becomes tan of x plus tan of x by 1 minus tan of x, tan of x. So this becomes 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. Similarly, we'll use the same formula here. So this will write 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x plus tan x, this whole thing divided by 1 minus, again tan 2x, I can say 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into tan of x. This is what we have got. So let's solve this. So this becomes 2 tan x plus tan x into tan x into 1 minus tan square x, the whole thing divided by 1 minus tan square x, this divided by again 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x, and this whole thing, whatever you get here, this divided by 1 minus tan square x. So this and this will get cancelled. So what we get is 2 tan x plus tan x minus tan square x, that is 3 tan x minus tan of cube x, because this is tan square x into tan x divided by this, we get 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x, this become 1 minus 3 tan square x, and that's we have proved. That's what we wanted to. So we have proved that tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x. To solve the trigonometry questions faster, you can learn these formulas, else you can derive also in the exam hall. It all depends on your wish. Thank you. Visit ExamFear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.